Financial tracking applications help you stay organized. And if you've used any kind of project management, productivity, or lifestyle tracking tool, you know that categorization can make or break your experience. By categorizing finances into more manageable buckets, you can more easily visualize where your money is going and better define your budgets and goals. Categories might sound like a simple feature to implement in your Bubble app, but there are some pitfalls that are easy to run into and create bottlenecks in your development. For example, not structuring your categories properly in your data architecture. In Bubble, you can do this either within data types and/or option sets. Depending on the complexity of your categories and whether or not you want to allow users to create their own custom categories, some approaches are better than others. And it all depends on what makes the most sense for your app's use case. Also, your app may have an extensive category library, which is likely to involve a hierarchy of parent categories and subcategories. If you're not setting those up in a dynamic way in your database structure, you'll inevitably hit ceilings as you scale, causing you to rework features and just run into a lot of headaches down the road. If you're just getting started with your financial tracking application in Bubble, start with just a few categories for testing, enough to see a variety of options and filter a sample set of transaction data. Make sure the system you've implemented works well. Then, once you've locked your logic into a stable position, you can add in the rest of your list. This is especially helpful if you plan on having a big list. We're all about efficient development over here.